Yeah. Look, 5 a.m. the screen got a blue tint. Mapping the levels, I'm reading the blueprint. They're all hoping I'm seeing the movement. This ain't a gamble, this is improvement. I'm way past the hope it works. I'm in the zone where the focus works. They over leverage and go berserk. I see the pep pad, I know the perks. No emotion, I'm disconnected. The thesis is sound, the trade is selected. They checking the news, I'm checking perspective. Every entry I make is perfected. Click the mouse, I don't even doubt. Watch the red candle break down. They're taking nails, I'm taking a new route. I see the setup, I'm ready to clear out. Just print it. Print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it. This ain't luck, this is repetition. This is chart time, this is ambition. This is calculated, pure conviction. Yeah, I already know the position, I'm the bad. Yeah, the one they dreaded. See that rally, I'm about to be headed. They all panic buying, misguided. I'm short in the top, cause I know where the smart money slid it. It's surgical, it's systematic. Then chaotic. I'm automatic, P&L looking cinematic. They blowing the counts. It's symptomatic, yeah, I'm modest, but it's upside down. Everything I touch is a profit found. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. It's a different mindset, I'm in a different lane. Just print it. Print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it. They staring at the lines, they're frozen, them execution. Focus, they're hoping. I've chosen the market's an ocean. I'm coasting, it's a different kind of quiet. When you know to play before you short it. They see a ride, I see it died. I see what I want. I don't have to try it, I just print it. Print it, print it, print it, print it. Account number looking like a phone digit. Yeah, I'm locked in. I'm in it to win it. I look at the chart and I tell it to print it, print it, print it, print it. Okay, print it, okay. Every tick I touch goes vivid, goes vivid. They think I got a machine, I live it. I don't even check the account. Just print it, just print it, just print it. Yeah, just print it, just print it. Tell them again. Print it, print it.
Was all there, all I had to do. Yeah, the screen turned green, I had the bag, swore I'd cash it out, wouldn't do it bad. But the devil on my shoulder said one more. Now I'm watching profits walk right out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do. Sunlight coming through the blinds, yeah. Got a different mission on my mind. Flip the screen on, coffee in my hand. Swear to God I'm gonna stick to the plan. First trade hits, it's a perfect play. Watching numbers climb, it's a brand new day. I hit my goal, I'm up, I'm good at that. Feeling in my blood like I knew I would. But I'm still sitting in this chair. Stared at the profit, just kept it in. My hands on the mouse, but my brain's in the clouds. It's way too quiet, I need the crowds. Need a high, I need a rush. The voice of reason telling me to hush. I was a king, I had a crown. Didn't know I was about to screen turn green. I had them back, swore I'd cash it out. Wouldn't do it bad, but the profits, walk right out the door, and all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do was wait. Second trade, I'm feeling bold. It's a story that's been told. A little dip is fine, it'll bounce right back. Then I see the whole damn chart start to crack. Panic setting in, my hands they shake. Just one more trade, for heaven's sake. I'll make it back, I'll get it right. Now I'm just chasing in the broad daylight. From green to gray, from gray to red. All of the voices in my head, they're getting louder, screaming at me. Trapped in this hell that I just let me be. Gave it all back and then I gave some more. Numb to the bone, staring at the floor. The high is gone, replaced with pain. Stuck in the middle of a screen, turn green. I had them back, so I cashed it out. Wouldn't do it back. The devil on my shoulder, said one more. Now I'm watching profits, walk right out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away. Now I'm bleeding red on a broken day. All I had to do was this ain't about the money, not really. It's the feeling that I'm my own enemy. It's a sickness, man, it's a damn disease. Brings a strong man right down to his knees. I had it all in the palm of my hand. A castle built on unstable sand. And I watch the waves just wash it out. Let me with the fear, let me with the doubt. Let me with the doubt. Yeah. Knew the screen was green, I had it bad. Should've cashed it out, why'd I do it bad? The devil on my shoulder, he said one more. Now I'm watching everything I had walk out the door. And all I had to do was walk away. All I had to do was walk away.
Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting losses, you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, gotta check the chart, boy. Watching all these small caps, watching all this chart, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. Now I take a cut, boy. I be selling quick, yeah. Stunning on the holder, boy. RSK, got a many wrist, man. Trade another day, man. Trade another day, yeah. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, all I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Used to take the big hit, now I keep it tiny, boy. Read about the blow-ups, that's a different trader, boy. Discipline is all I got, I never trust a FOMO, boy. Used to bag whole stocks, now I'm just a scaler, boy. Yeah, the float is low, G, watching for the spike, man. Keep the stop loss ready, all my levels set, yeah. Ain't no second guess, yeah. You ain't talking risk, yeah. You ain't in the session, yeah. Get a mess, yeah. Cuts on cuts, yeah. Gotta keep it tight. Front of red, now I'm in the light. They were holding back, now they see the height, yeah. All I see is chalks, all day, all night, yeah. All day, all night. All about that P&L cuts, paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts. All I take is paper cuts. If you ain't cutting loss and you ain't fucking trade with us. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. Paper cuts, yeah. All I take is paper cuts. Boy, just imagine the risk. Saving all the paper, boy. Boy. Yeah.
Just managing all the risks, saving that paper, boy. Good morning, guys. Still getting fueled up on that Donkey Kong coffee. Hope you guys are doing well. A lot of action going on in pre-market. We had a very fruitful degenerate day yesterday. Journaled that. I journaled. Take notes, Kevin. Degen day success. So today, yeah, clearly we're going to try to find the BBGI. A lot of traders are. That sometimes that means the opposite can happen, right? Where you have these plays get so irrational, everybody's looking for it, and so then everybody's on that side of the majority. It's less sustainable at that point when it's expected. Like in the market, things that sometimes are the most irrational or the least expected. But yesterday was real fruitful. We had a lot of action, a lot of volume on different plays. There's a lot to cover this morning. And then, of course, finding some of these new plays. Now, the important thing, guys, is flowing with the market, flowing with the market. That's why I think like sometimes even us as discretionary traders really can have a significant edge when we just realize like what the sentiment is out there in the overall market, the conditions that are present. And yesterday, certainly, we could feel those conditions. We could feel those conditions, and if we stepped up to the plate, certainly could have been fruitful. But A, identify edge. B, we have to trade it with proper risk management, proper sizing to protect it. And then C, you got to really keep that consistent to compound it over time. That's the most important thing. In this market, I will say the most dangerous thing for traders in this market right now is random trading. Random trading will equal random results, and this market will suck you in, suck you dry, spit you out if you're just all about that random trading. So we got to be all about the paper cuts, as that song went over this morning. But enough of that, guys. You want to find the hot plays of the day. So let's dive into it. Right now, the leading gapper in small cap lands, BTTC, 1.42 million in the float, 21 million shares traded so far. So this has all eyes, all attention on it at the moment, and they're trading higher after the company unveiled its digital asset treasury plus framework and launched Pillar One, focused on utility-driven digital asset deployment and cash flow potential. Blah 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 blah. Right? I mean, yesterday BBGI I don't even think had any news, so news is irrelevant. We need a low float, high volume. Chase that volume. As Smoked Tuna says, focus on where the volume's at. Price action is ultimately king, and there's somebody who's the king of price action that always speaks on the price action as well, and that's Mr. Fades. So I want to bring him on in here. Mr. Fades, good morning. How we doing?
Good morning. How's it going, guys? What's going on?
Have you been working anything pre-market or after hours?
Yeah, had two good trades. Took CV overnight, and
Oh
then
ho!
Axel. Still actually have a tiny bit of leftovers. I got one small lot left of leftovers on Axel. So two good trades there this morning.
CV, dude. Wow. That was a great trade. The thing's
Yeah, dude, the after hours has been so fruitful. Like I was telling you yesterday, it's like, man, just these plays, it's just market maker field day, halt up, halt down, the casino all day long. And then after hours comes, and a lot of times they'll make their move and they'll start to kind of capitulate from there. So
you
it's a
can just
constant trend we see, guys. So, I mean, it's just, I continue to preach on that. I've been talking about that ever since I got on this channel, the after hours trend, like the faders. So
you are
continues
this
to
channel, bro.
prove, continues to
You are
prove
this channel.
fruitful.
You have become one with this channel. So CV, the after hours, did you catch it on that spike up there towards 30?
Let me take a
Or
look
work a
back
little
and try
backside?
to
I mean, even if
recollect
you had it
here.
at 20, that thing's down at 9. Well, the beautiful thing is, like you've preached, get involved into that after hours euphoria and then set your risk levels and just go to sleep. Because look
Hmm.
what yeah, look what resulted from that. So yeah, good work on
Yeah,
that.
utilizing those stops is really key. I mean, you can't do that everywhere. So while we
So
can, let's do that. And, for sure.
perfect fall. Good morning. He was messaging me last night. Fades. He's killing it on the futures account.
Yeah, I
Killing
want to see what's going on with that future stuff, man. I'm seeing those screenshots. Like, is that like what is you like? It's like $6,000 days, like two of them. Is that pure profit? Like, Are you taking $1,000
I
payouts?
think,
Like, what's going
yeah,
on
I
here?
think he said the first 10,000 is pure profit, and then after that, they'll move you to live, and then it's 90-10 split, which is pretty good, right? 90% take
Yeah,
home.
I'm really curious about trying the futures because, especially because, like, with my strategy and like my trading and how I trade, I've noticed I have a lot more success pre and post. So it's like if I could get into futures during market hours, that might be a good transition for me. But that's a journey to try to move over to that. It's like
I
you
know.
don't want to spread yourself too wide when you're trading. You want to focus on your edge and what you got going on at the same
I don't
time.
think my
So.
wife would like it because then I'm gonna be sitting there in bed on the futures, not
Well, yeah, he was doing that at late night, right? It's kind of like crypto where it just
yeah,
goes forever. Like,
yeah, yeah.
man, it's
But,
interesting. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I saw those Black Friday promos and I was real tempted to try out one of those prop firms, but I didn't. But I'll consider it. I will consider it. Um,
yeah, I'm excited to hear about it. We're gonna talk to him on a Friday night live stream about it to
okay, cool. Yeah,
see how it's been going. Are you going full degen mode, or you found an edge that's working real well?
the man, the myth, the
The
legend.
man,
Yeah,
the myth, the legend.
that's a
Speaking about full degen mode, yeah, let's get into these degen tickers because
yeah.
there's
So
certainly a few of them.
yeah. So what are your top watches?
Okay, so probably my favorite play, like outside of degen plays, I like IBIO a lot. It kind of put in that liquidity move midday yesterday, and it just feels heavy to me. It's up like 3 days in a row.
Okay.
IBIO looks pretty good, but I mean, look at the pattern. It's almost on Tuesday, it spiked up and then sat under a resistance level, and then yesterday spiked up, sitting under a resistance level. So let's just see if that one's going to stay heavy against like three. I like the
Yeah, it's like
short
when
there.
when they flatline for so long, you just never know what they're gonna do at the bell. It's like, are
Right.
they gonna give it in or are they gonna manipulate it up first? So
Yeah,
yeah, it's good
exactly.
to, when you like a hangover, I think like that, it's good to have a feeler in it, something. And then that way, look for that spike up at the bell and you can double
hmm
down or maybe just ride the fade with a smaller size. It's probably, the
Turn, I'm
approach.
still liking TERN. I mean, it's like this thing's up so much, but it's just
Okay.
which day is going to pull back. I still like Wave ultimately, but the chart's pissing me off. Like every single day, it's
Yeah, that was
selling off
annoying
and popping up.
yesterday, but it did kind of trickle down though. So yeah, at Bell, that'll be interesting. They did offer. That one's got dilution going on, right?
Yeah, yep. And
Yeah.
then,
It sounds like the Kings of the Day has kind of gotten a
dude,
little slower. Wait a minute. No, I take that back.
BTTC.
Yeah, that's the new shiny object, BTTC.
Well, it's
So
up
what's
a
the
lot, so
flow
I'm concerned
here?
there.
What's the flow? What's the news?
BTTC has got 1.42 million float, 22 million shares traded, and it's like Treasury Bitcoin something.
It's still that crap. Uh,
No, digital asset treasury strategy. Yeah.
Unveiled its strategy. That's it.
So
China, Chang Zhang Lin. Let me see if there's any dilution. That's the
AXIL is an interesting name. Now they partnered with Walmart, and they're going to be in like I don't. Let me see. They're going to be in a lot of stores. They had a retail distribution agreement with Walmart. 3,700 stores this Axle's going into. This is a
yeah,
green float play too.
yeah. I saw that live this morning as it popped up. I actually did the sprinkle, the sprinkle ladder like on the way up theory, and
Mm,
but I was going really, really small, just tiny, and that thing gapped up, yeah, like $3 quick, and actually blew through a stop that I had. But
okay.
I was in so small though, like very, very small. So I just
I mean,
continued to work it, like I said, and now, obviously
I
I'm still
like
in
it,
for
but I
trade, but
mean, distribution agreement, 3,700 stores, sketches me with a low float too.
BTTC, yeah, at this point, it's already faded a good bit, so probably, I mean, but BTTC is definitely interesting here. Is it gonna hold up? going into
look at how it's holding though, kind of forming like a new lower,
right.
a
Yeah,
higher
they need
low.
something. They need something, so that's probably gonna be it.
Oh,
I
okay,
mean,
OCG's popping right now a little bit. Okay, so dude, you saw OCG's move yesterday? I mean, I
oh my
look,
god, I don't
I
know if I
call
could change that thing, dude. I don't know.
no. It's just we got to go off of pattern recognition. So what I caught this dude, like, way late, but got a little piece of it. So,
Oh my god.
OCG, you saw, like, day 1, it did nothing yesterday until about lunchtime and then shot up. It was this was a hangover, right? And so,
Mhm.
people been trading these hangovers, and and so now it's like that edge gets exploited, and then they just start squeezing those shorts on out like they did OCG. Now,
Yeah.
it's not sustainable, but here's what I'm thinking with that. So BBGI, if nothing else goes on, like BBGI could be the same thing. Although BBGI is way off of the highs, but if it wants to OCG hangover and curl back up, I mean, like here's the
Yeah,
thing.
SMX kinda did that this morning too, a little bit.
I know. I just don't. I'm not confident that BTTC is gonna be the one, because it's already up a ton, and
Right,
BB
yeah, it could roll over here, it might snap.
BBGI was great yesterday because it was only up like a point, and then everyone jumped into it, all the algos, chat rooms, everything. But BTTC's kind of already like made a significant move here.
Mhm.
Dude, there was like the reclaim theme still live on 2 plays yesterday. In NXDR next door and then Beat. You were watching Beat, BAAT. Both of those tickers had end of day reclaims, and next door is actually holding 280 now, real well.
Wow. Yeah, that reclaim theory is still alive, that's for sure.
But Beat got it hit that resistance line I had marked. It's pretty much like after the FDA they had announced. You remember we went over that news where they
Mhm.
and then it's like okay, they approved whatever they had going on. They reapproved it, and then it really went back up to where it dropped from off of that 170, 173.
Yeah,
Uh,
interesting.
FDA.
Alright, let me see here. Nova Bay. Hmm.
So yeah, what are your top watches going into today?
I just looked at NBY, that could be NBY.
In
It's
B.
kinda grim though.
Okay.
Seeing if there's anything I didn't catch, and then I'll go through my list. Um,
AFJK still has a lot of downside room to it. By the way, a lot of down. I'm gonna hit the head real quick. BRB.
yeah, yeah, it does. Yeah, I gotta get some more coffee as well.
My kids were waking us up all night last night, so I'm like living
Oh
right now.
yeah, yeah. Don't take it slow, man. Small size, more selective today. Um, yeah. So, what you said, AFJK? Yeah, I like that one. But it has no volume. Let me take a look at this.
Yeah, it's sketch. It's kind of sketch.
ENVB is kind of interesting here. Under 9 if it cracks, but it's kind of like a wait for confirmation. But that one could drop another point or two.
VNVB.
ENVB.
Oh, ENVB. Oh, dude, that one ended up being so good yesterday, but I
Mhm.
kept second guessing myself really because
Right.
I'm like, yeah,
Yeah.
it was a sketch day
Yeah,
yesterday.
during the market hours, it's just the chop city. You just got to size. For me personally, I got to size smaller during market hours, and then I step up pre and post. It's backwards. Like it's just I got to accept that reality because that's the thing. Is just the chop is so more extreme.
I feel like I want to go ahead and start IBIO because they're selling this off already against 290, but I don't. I like this chart IBIO. It's one of my favorites going into today.
Yeah, yeah, that does look pretty good, man. I
280s.
like
Yeah,
it
I'm
for
a
like a starter position. Like, well, how's the volume? Is it enough volume to? Spread sucks, but it's close to where it's set the print lower
yeah. I
was.
just started at 265 as well. I like against really the $3. I mean, 280 previous close is pretty good on it.
BTTC is cracking a little bit.
They're reeling you in,
I
bro.
might take a baby starter there.
It is it is cracking the line a little
Yeah, that's
bit.
a big pump for a Bitcoin treasury. Woo woo wah wah. I think it's Chinese too. Let me see what ChatGPT said. I didn't read it. I just smacked a tiny lot. Ooh, big bounce back up. Looks like they
Yeah,
faked the
uh,
close out. Yeah.
it's gonna be sketch city. Honestly, if this one opens up into a halt up, I'm probably
I just have like enough to really just keep an eye on it type position right now. It's like hardly anything. Just kind of want to see
Paula.
what
Yeah, good. I
but yeah.
iRobot's good, Paula. Yeah, good alert
Well,
there. Maybe
token,
go over
no
that one.
warrants.
620 is a key level, Paula, on IRBT. Good morning, MG, by the way. 620 on IRBT, pretty key level, which is close to. We got to see how it's going to react off of that.
Yeah. So BTTC is the king, and then we got Axel. Um, Diamond Hill Investment Group, an expensive play that just popped up. D Hill up 40%.
Oh, that looks like an acquisition.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, acquisition.
Yeah, I saw them scanner and then pets. Pets is like the little baby prince trying to do something at 40%. Besides
13
that,
million float. It's rotated it entirely on pets, but I mean, yeah, I mean, she could be
that
the
one
one.
could be the long play.
Yeah, it's at near lows as well, RSI.
Yeah.
I just don't think I think we're in agreement with the BTTC. Like the majority are thinking like that's probably the big play today, but it's likely going to be something else. I
It
feel
could
like they're just going
capitulate, though. If it capitulates soon. Well, we got 5 minutes till the bell, so we're gonna see. I mean, it's gonna
to. They
reveal
could
itself.
play with it. Yeah, it could be. If it
Yeah.
shoots straight up into a halt, I don't. I'll play it. But yeah,
I think
it's
it's Chinese too, I think. So,
speaking of Chinese,
uh,
me
well,
G.
well, I don't know if it's Chinese, but it said Hangzhou or something was just appointed. So,
I don't
take with
even
that
know.
what you will.
I don't know if this is Chinese, but me G, MIGI.
It's affiliated.
It's another play. I don't think it's Chinese. I just
God.
me G. Maybe it is. Who knows? Mawson
Look at those two
infrastructure.
Chinese plays we were watching. MTC, that thing's still sitting the same. And then what was that other
I
one that
know.
we were watching a while back? Like a
Pep
week
G.
ago?
Might have been
Which
Pep
one?
G. Pep G
That one Chinese?
or PLR P
BTTC,
Rex.
a little floppy here. It's T's and Bears.
Pets is curling up, guys. I mean, she's kind of in an ascending triangle pattern here,
I would
creating
imagine Pets probably get some Momo.
it's tempting for a
Just
long
looking at
because
the
the risk.
scanner. Oh, well, yeah, it's screaming right now for a breakout. It's just testing
Well, the
that.
risk levels are so good. I mean, like the previous, honestly, it has. I just, it has what 70 cents to fall back to the previous close, and it's a low float. This thing could shoot up to the risk
But
rewards are pretty good.
BTTC might already made its move, though. I mean, 180%. The chart is kind of textbook right now, bro. What's it gonna do? It's at a key point.
I can't take it, dude. I hope it
Yeah,
works out for you. But right, 5 minutes
just
before the bell.
well, I got 40 shares. Like I'm not in big. Like I'm just in like a baby size. So
Mm-hmm.
I'll add if it gets bearish, but just kind of feeling it out here. bigger picture fade.
Yeah, I mean, really
Um,
against 10 is
yeah, like bigger picture, wide risk right now, and then kind of vibe it out from there. Um, let's see. Yeah, Axel might continue to fade. I got 40 shares there as well, and leftovers just sitting. Um, BTTC, a little pressure, man. The Bulls need love, or this is going to capitulate. Staying heavy at 9 now.
pets, pets,
Little
cr-
chick
pets
hit
hitting some
down.
new highs.
And as far as the fresh meat, BTTC, if it capitulates, that's going to be where the fresh meat is. But it's tricky right now at the bell. Just can't get involved sizable because it's going to chop around.
Did
Um,
ENVB have any news? Because there's still
Axle
room.
capitulation lower. I think still up 70% and just selling its ass off. Axle,
Yeah.
the fallen king.
The news is getting me a
RZ
little bit.
RZLT down 90% today. Wow.
So, guys,
That could be a play.
I
Maybe that pet.
IBIO is on IBIO against like 280s. Probably one of my favorite plays going into today. I'm already short there. IBIO out, and then outside of that, I'm looking to be a Degen long on whatever they get pumping like they did yesterday, but I'm not confident it's BTTC. I want to see what else pops up because yesterday at the bell it was some, BBGI wasn't on everybody's radar. BBGI at the
Mhm.
bell was kind of like the sleeper and not up that much. So looking for
Here goes
looking for just
BTTC curling up.
curling up. I mean, it could be BTCC, but it's up already so
I went ahead
hard.
and covered everything for now. I'm not, I'll assess it, but they might really get that thing going. There's nothing else running, so
Pets is going to be a better candidate in my opinion. It's not as low of a
for
float.
long.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
it's 13 million. It's rotated that. Other plays on the backside short list are I don't know. I mean, and it,
there's nothing that's like screaming as far as the backside short list. Um,
ENVB has more room to fall. I was wondering if
yeah,
that had news on it because otherwise she could keep seeing selling pressure.
BBGI also could continue. I mean, it's already sold off a lot, but it's like a
Yeah,
lot of these plays have already pumped so hard and they've sold off so hard, but they also have more room to fade. It's just
and there's definitely a trade on OCG. By the
like
way,
you
I
said,
don't
it's
believe
just like the nature of this market. Any one of those plays can just get a random 50% pop at any time, and that's what makes it tricky because they know everyone's fading these backside down. So
Mhm.
that's the tricky part.
Exactly. That's what happened
Especially
with
during market
OCG.
hours, right? During market hours, they're more susceptible to that. Again, going back to the whole premise of what we're dealing with.
OCG was exactly what you just said. Yeah, they knew people were trying to ride this on down, and then it made that crazy euphoric short squeeze intraday and gave it all back. There's definitely a trade here, OCG. So it's just
Yeah,
if it reclaims like, dude, if this thing pops up towards 12, 13, I have to hit it on the short. I mean, we'll see. That's a huge.
BTTC, man, this thing's back under 9 again.
It's in a descending triangle, guys. BTTC. Here's the levels.
Riot Bell here. See what they're gonna do with it.
It's just less
Uh,
edge, probably right at bell.
sellers.
Some call this a bull flag, some call it a descending triangle.
All right. I'm putting my feeler in. I'm putting my stop at like very wide with just a baby position. Something's telling me that thing might capitulate.
I'm gonna see what she does at the open. If it squeezes up into a halt, I'll probably join the bulls. If it sells off into a halt down, I'll probably join the bears. I'm just gonna react to that one.
Alright. Yeah.
Um,
Yep. Just print it.
I'm just gonna
So
print it.
besides that, what's the other king?
IRBT Paula pointed out is there good volume. There's gonna be a trade here. I like the 620 level too. 620 on iRobot. iRobot. That's an old movie.
For real. 30 seconds to the bell, fellas.
IBIO shooting up just a little bit. I got a small feeler on it. I'll smack it again, probably up towards 3, and then see what she does over under.
And SMX just has to be on watch. I mean, it's just hard to trade. Another one where it's like real small size and wide risk.
Oh, JZXN. Something's popping up. Oh, no, never mind. Disregard.
Axel's turned into my little honey hole.
All right, BTTC, what are they going to do?
Pump, dump. It's pumping, guys. It's dumping, guys.
It's
It's halting.
Is it?
Wait, my
Oh,
level 2 is glitched. Oh, no, I got the... What the heck?
very wild is the BTTC. Kind of in this little
I was
flag.
thinking maybe a pump to like 10 and then wash. Can it even get that, or is it just going to capitulate?
This is a key level for it, guys. Key level for it. Monitoring the action.
This is like, again, like I touched on, this is where the most fresh meat is going to be. Just don't oversight. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Like we talk about.
Right. 850's key level is testing out this upper trend right now. Oh.
We prepping for a halt down, or are we faking?
All right. I'm going to join you off of that high. If it's a fake out breakdown, I'll be out of it. Yep, fake out. Is it about to be a fake out breakdown? They could be accumulating shorts for a pump up. Let's see what they're going to do with this.
Yeah, I'm going to tighten my stops a little bit.
I like that selling pressure lower, but they could just be accumulating shorts.
Right, yeah, I don't want to stick around for the squeeze if that's the trap. But I'm not in that big, so I'm. I like that price action. As long as this wick doesn't buy up any much more, we need to stay heavy under 9. 9 is key now.
Mm-hmm.
This thing's getting wild.
Yeah, I'm not going to give it much more time here at the 9. Let's see what 9's going to do. Key level. Are they going to be able to BBGI this, or is she head lower?
They haven't pumped it yet. It was heavy pre-market. Let's
go.
Oh,
sell off into a halt down. Sizing into it a bit. Sizing into it a little bit.
Yeah.
I figured this could happen. I'm in 150.
But yeah.
150 shares into that. Good catch.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go. All right, let's push. So what are we missing here?
All right, IBIO.
RZLT, guys. RZLT for the long. Dead cat bounce alert. RZLT.
Oh my God,
Load the farm. I just called that a minute ago. It's already up 20 cents off that call. It bottomed down 90%, guys. Long idea, RZLT. What's the news? 2 patients discontinued, did not have positive. Is that worth a 90% drop, though? Is like the whole company over with? Like, no. That might be overreaction, guys. RZLT could be, definitely got to put that on watch.
2 patients discontinue their services. That's all it takes. Dude, you saw Chow yesterday? That reminds me of Chow. Guys, oh God, I feel so bad for those traders. Like Chow did the same thing at market hours yesterday. Chow 12 opened up at 65 cents. Imagine if you were long that, you just lost everything. I mean, everything on that halt down. It doesn't even matter if you have a stop. And so
Axel, I missed my cover there.
WVE, Paula, we've attempted this 2 days in a row, and I think FaZe and I are just kind of kicking back with it because she keeps reclaiming. I do like it for the hangover, and she did offering at 19, but it's a tricky name. She just keeps like selling off reclaiming levels, but I do like it ultimately. You just got to give it some wide risk there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm having the backside list pulled up. I'm just monitoring to see anything that's actually fresh fading.
Pets, guys, Pets is still on a guys, there's gonna be bulls looking for something. If we were accurate on BTTC not being the one because it was up already, but Pets, they're looking for the one, and it could be Pets. She's kinda that's a tempting long, dude. This is really good on that trend line. PETS.
Mm-hmm. I think someone said there was like a private placement. Damn,
Yeah,
RZLT halted up, guys.
Pets,
RZLT is halted up.
good alert on that. Pets is spiking up right now, guys.
Damn it, dude. Why didn't I
Oh, that's
take that?
tempting.
Oh, we got to sprinkle. And that's why you got to look at the backs, the reverse list. Like, not always the top gainers, look at the top losers. Because sometimes you'll see plays like dead cat bounces and stuff like that. And that was a perfect textbook one. Down
Ma
90%, that's just too much. Like, that's a really good sprinkle long and just play it out. I like those plays. I mean, they're high risk, but they can be very high reward. They can be like sweat
BTTC.
free almost, like
Yeah,
because
I used to look for those a whole lot more, like
yeah,
because
I used to love them, but you know, you can get your ass burned too, like, and that's what turns into a short.
yeah, exactly. All right, we if it's a 5-minute halt, we'll open up on um,
2 minutes, a
BTTC.
minute and a half.
So really nice
Probably.
descending triangle, and let's see where she's gonna open
This
up.
thing came from three. Now it is a 1 mil float, right?
Yeah, we got to be smart here. It had 40,000 shares coming into the on the ask right now, so likely we open up lower. IBIO I'm seeing is pulling back a
I,
little bit right now.
It sounds good, but don't be surprised if they reclaim at a point
Mm-hmm.
because we've seen that. But honestly, if they do reclaim at a point, that's going to be sketchy enough for me to want to cover. If they
Well, I'm
reclaim
covering
this all the way
something
back
out of
to
this halt.
nine, I'm going to be looking to cover some out the gates, depending on what it does. But I feel like the halts have been there's been a little less follow through, but it also depends on the ticker you're trading and how it's been trading. Like this thing kind of, like I said, again, it made its move. RZLT resumption. I want to take a starter there.
How bad was that news?
There's a ton of volume, man. Is it gonna pump more, dude?
I'm focused on I'm eyes on it, but BTTC could open here soon, so I'm
I'm
kind
just
of
gonna
focused
put
there.
a 200 share sprinkle just to like have an eye on it for now, so I don't miss it if it keeps going without me. It's still going a little bit. I'm gonna add a tiny bit. The RR here now is just like feels like it's there, but you can't get too ambitious. All right, we're getting a little bit of movement. They might resume it. Get ready. Have your phone ready in case it glitches. God, if it does this again, I'm gonna be pissed. Oh, there we go. Let's
Taking
go.
half, taking half. If it
The spread
reclaims,
sucks.
they're halting it up.
Seriously, that's like that doesn't even make sense.
I'm just gonna buy it up, I guess. F it.
You're buying the halt.
Yeah.
I think they're gonna toy with it, but it's only half of that candle. I don't know.
That just trapped shorts. Wow. It looks so good too. It's dude,
Yeah,
I was seeing some very like reputable traders out there. They were saying like how gambly the market's been lately. They're like, you short this, you get effed. You long this, you get effed. It's like you just if
that's what
you're
I'm saying. I've noticed that air market hours
yeah.
100%.
And I
It's
think
just
we went over that too. It's like if with this market, you gotta with this in the small caps, you gotta be right or right out. Like you can't just
mhm.
overstay your welcome or add. Because if you get an OCG like yesterday and you're buying that thing up and then you're just like, oh well, everything keeps reclaiming. So let me add all the way. Oh my god, OCG's at 730. OCG halted down.
Yeah,
Yeah, so if you just keep add, like
yeah,
there's
RZLT.
gonna be a time where you get effed, absolutely effed. So you just Make sure you're on the right side of things. But yeah, I took half off and then covered the rest and went long on it. We'll see.
Yeah, I covered like almost. I'm like in like a third position left short. Just probably bigger picture, but we'll see what it does.
False break of the VWAP, yeah, Doug.
Yeah, I was worried about these halts have been so tricky. Like I said, there hasn't been the follow through. Like the halts feel like there was more follow through before, and now it doesn't really feel that much.
Pets has been great, guys, off the trend. A little regretful there.
SMX halted up.
Beat is spiking right back up towards yesterday's close level. NXDR spiking up too. I know Paula was going over MIGI. Let's take a look there. MIGI having a little trouble at pre-market resistance right now. Yeah, that 11's kind of key for it. I know she's kind of a tiny float too. Ten was tough on MIGI.
RZLT flagging to the upside, guys.
MIGI, bro. This one's 10. 10 is Wiki here. She might be a decent short against.
What is it? MIGI?
Yeah, MIGI against 10-20 or so. If we can catch it on a pop.
Oh, wow.
It's kind of Wiki up there.
Mawson and
Doug sitting on the sidelines today.
Sounds like a
I feel
scam.
that. Yesterday was like the most exhausting trading day ever.
RZLT is getting a lot of volume here, man. This thing's interesting. What's that? Yesterday was exhausting.
Oh my God, yesterday was so exhausting. I don't know if I want to repeat that today. If I can catch some profits on this like BTTC move, I might just kick back for a
Right.
little bit because yesterday like it was just the halts all day long. I mean, it was fruitful, just tiring.
Yeah. 100%, bro.
And now it almost feels like maybe they'll turn the BTTC into the BBGI.
Yeah, this, like I said, the 9 reclaim is really gonna be key. Like that 9 has been key. It will continue to be. So let's see what.
They're going to open it up within a minute probably here, BTTC. 9:43 on a 5-minute halt.
RZLT 2 wicks down.
909 BTTC. Oh my God, dude. They're relentless with this. It's going to blow through the open too.
Right.
Or the high on the day. I have sell orders ready. Like, you just got to lock in, dude. It's so scalpy of a market. You just got to lock in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like I was talking about the other day, it's almost like you have to tunnel in and just scalp on a certain play, like sprinkling and like having multiple positions in this market for bigger picture has been iffy. SMX double halt up. Wow.
Fingers on the trigger, BTTC.
What's SPY doing? Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, BTTC's got another 5. It looks like the 10 is or the 5-minute already passed.
Already passed on the 5.
Yeah, man, adapting in this market and conquering, doing what we got to do, and good job, good work. Being versatile, and as long as you just manage your risk, like that's the main factor. Like not staying wrong and managing your risk. Like,
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I hate longing, but I can partake as long as I'm just milking it quick. It like you said, if you're wrong, get out because we're up like hundreds and hundreds of percent. The irrationality can run wild, but you do
right?
not want to
Yeah,
stay wrong.
that's like the tuition that I think has been learned, and definitely for shorts over the last like few months is like there's no level of irrationality. Like there's no limit, right? Like that's what we've learned. There's no limit to the irrationality. Like there's just not. So yeah, ultimately respecting price no matter what the story is.
Right. All right. MIGI, another upper wick towards the highs. Pets has been on this trend. It's still on the trend, guys. It pulled back PETS down towards 250. Still on the trend. Yeah.
RZLT sneaky long
B still
is
holding up,
creeping
man.
up still, giving risk levels off the 1.3s.
OCG in the sixes. Oh my God, my
Yeah, no, that's
FOMO
good.
is kicking in so hard right
But that
now.
one was such a gross move. And that's the thing. It's like that's the one where shorts are scared now because they did that move, and then like it capitulates the hardest. Like, this market
IBIO is kind of spiking up. IBIO, I'm out of that one. It took me out.
V pumping. BBGI continued to capitulate a little bit. Yeah, BBGI looks like it might just continue to fade all day. The
Miggy,
spread,
dude. Miggy looks heavy, bro. Lot big upper wick, 1030s. Could be that looks like the
that
liquidity move.
Meggy or whatever. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hate short into weakness in this market, but it does look good against that 1030 level.
Just got to size small and like scale more than ever, like scaling the weakness like that.
All right. The robe of wisdom comes out. I'm freezing.
Yeah, it's like 50s down here, so I'm sure it's cold up there and
It's
everywhere
gonna
else.
be like 14 degrees in the night, like Sunday and Monday.
Whew. Well, I'm getting
Yeah.
ready to head back up to Georgia next weekend. Gonna bundle up
Get your snuggie ready. Your trading snuggie.
by the fire.
Yeah.
Turn the fire on, Daddy.
Trading fireside with fades.
Fireside trading. I can do that. Like, actually, I legitimately am. Wait, can you see? Hold on, let me pull up the. I actually have a fire going on right now.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I see that.
My little heater in the background. All right,
920.
guys, should be coming. Let's see, what
Doug.
do we guys do?
Doug is the man.
You said
920
920 is what's that?
right now, yeah.
BTTC?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, this is madness, man. That's the theme is just let the bulls have their fun, and then short it in the afternoon with these hot runners. Axel getting a little pump. RZLT pumping. That long is starting to print.
Definitely taking a piece off on BTTC. I mean, honestly, like this is going to be opening up right at the high. So probably going to squeeze it. They're probably going to squeeze it up from a little, maybe into another halt. We'll see. That's insane, dude. They halted it. It's about to open up probably. It's been 10 minutes. So fingers on the trigger there.
Damn.
What's they going to do with it? Straight up.
They're gonna halt it up again.
Oh my God, that wick was up towards 10. They put in a
Wow.
10 wick.
Wow, the Wiki West. Down to my last dollar.
About to be down to my last dollar.
My courage to test.
Are they about to halt it down now?
BBGI is working. Yeah, this thing's a scam, dude. They
Scam,
halt them
scam, scam.
down. Fake halt.
Get more shorts. Get more shorts.
You long bias still?
Oh, I have 75 left at 850. I'm just going to cut it if it shoots back down there.
My curry's to the tails.
See if it holds that halt level. If it doesn't hold that halt level, I'm done with it.
Oh, the wiki wins.
I don't think I'm ever a long bias, dude. I'm like always terrified when I'm in a long. But I'll ride the irrationality.
Any other shiny objects or BTTC got it all? Thing's wiki.
Yeah, I'm about to be done with it.
Axle capitulation. Wow. Damn. Axle halting down. BTCC might halt down if any more pressure gets going. Oh, Lord.
All right. Out of it.
Nightmare zone.
But sketch play, man. Absolute sketch play. Axel, did it halt down?
Yeah.
Pet still on its trend. Miggy holding up.
SMX resumption around 220.
AFJK is probably halted up. This is a market where you cannot. They're just going after shorts left and right, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, IBIO did hit 290s and pulled back. IBIO does look pretty good now. Dang it. I'm going to re-involve myself with IBIO. I did stop out of it.
RZLT forward, like 5 touch points right here at 1-3, guys. Long idea. Haven't got stopped out yet. I'm like break even on the trade. BTTC back at 9 and kind of sputtering. What's it want to do here? It's still above VWAP, so it needs to see pressure under 9 and stay heavy.
Yeah, back in IBIO, but I'm only giving that to like up towards 3.
Carries to the tails of BTTC Wiki West.
Yeah, the last thing you want to do is just like, I'm going to get reeled into this thing all day long, BTTC, because it's going to be tough. It's going to be a tough trade. But here we go. Is it going into a halt down? Halt down.
Let's go. That's new levels lower too, so
I just took it into the halt down short. A ton of shares, like 120,000 plus coming in right there.
I mean, which doesn't even matter. That's what we've realized. None of it matters. It's all a game. It's all a trick. But I mean, that felt pretty bearish, right?
Yeah.
We can't set our
IBIO working out at lows. At lows.
Is it halting?
Oh wow, no. Oh, it's getting close. IBIO looking good.
I might have to take a starter there.
She's got a lot of room down too. 280s.
SPY just
BTTT resuming at wait, I just went kind of heavy there, so that is going to help.
What happened?
673. Doug has the resume.
Oh, yeah, I see it on Webull. Did they offer? Let's go, dude.
I might be
I'm in
funded.
on the
I might
funded.
be funded, bro. You're on, are you? I mean, I went a couple hundred. I mean, not crazy heavy, but for this
Yeah,
thing, pretty heavy. I mean, anything over.
right.
Yeah, it's just that ticker alone. I mean, that's kind of heavy for me for that ticker.
I mean, yeah, the halts can be tricky and trappy too, so you just got to be careful.
It was a lot. There were a lot of shares coming into that, so it's not surprising with the open lower. I mean, it was there because I guess during the halt, I mean, it'd be interesting to see how that works. But if, like, let's say there's hundreds of thousands going into the halt down, do they just like take them all the limit orders out essentially as and then find the price? I don't know how that works entirely, but
Yeah, I couldn't even tell you, bro.
Pets has been so clean, guys, on this trend.
Axle resumption.
Watch them take this halt down and then squeeze it right back up, though.
With Axel.
BTTC.
Oh yeah. I mean sadly that's what the theme has been. It's like Hall Down's not
IBIO.
been that bearish.
Bro, IBIO paying. Let's go.
All right, let me add.
Pretty happy with this trade. Being when it's your favorite setup, go over it a few times and it works out. I did take a little stop was too tight originally, but it feels like real heavy. Like we could be going much lower. The 5-minute halt would be 950.
BTTC. Yeah.
5-minute halt will be 958. It's
I'm seeing
coming up.
771, 678.
678.
I'm looking at Weeble level 2.
Doug's got 790 now.
Yeah, I see 771.
I just feel like covering most of this, honestly, out of this halt because it's just so sketch. Probably will cover most out of this halt, like 3/4.
This thing came from what, $3-4?
Mm-hmm. Sometimes they don't even give you an opportunity to cover. They just sell it back down into the next halt down so quickly.
Mm-hmm. That could be what's. I mean, it could be. They might be done with it, man. Because it was unwinding. It made its move earlier. It didn't make its move in market hours. It made its move pre-market. It's been fading since.
768 now. So it's about to open up if it's 5 minutes. You just got to be unbiased in this market, guys. You have to be You just got to be unbiased.
Your bias should be following the MMs on whatever the heck they got going on.
Okay, it's going to be a 10-minute halt, it looks like, huh?
I'm seeing 826 again. Oh no, that's just because it's TTP. Yeah, now I'm seeing 7 and 678. I hate that. Let me put my order to cover it because I don't want to get slippage here.
Are you able to place an order right now?
No,
You're just getting.
I'm just getting ready to smack some, but at limit because it's going to be spready, and I don't want to get a bad fill.
Are you trying to hit it for some more or get out?
No, I'm in sizable, so I'm looking for that textbook, like open in the sevens and then come back up like they've been doing. But maybe it'll follow through. But I just want to be ready to cover some. Looking for open in the sevens or sixes and then smack it.
IBIO is just paying on the sidelines and otherwise got him focused very heavily on this BTTC Open. And then I got to go to trade the pool after this. And I can't be Degen trading over there on BTTC.
Yeah, you get that all out of your system with me. Freedom feels so good, doesn't it?
This is the last thing I should be doing. I got to find some other setups. But how do you not take these halt downs when
There's edge with BTTC because it's up 100 and something percent on this, the outdated crypto treasury junk. So it's given clear risk levels if you zoom out and look at RR, even off like $10 and just look for bigger picture fade. But yeah, zooming in, tunneling in, and like oversizing on these things is a death trap, and it's just degeneracy. Can't kid ourselves.
I'm going to take, I think, all of it out of the halt. He says it's bouncing between 770, 790. I just take the 70, 80 bucks and move on, I think.
I got it pulled up on my phone just in case my platform glitches because it's been doing that. so I can cover some lots. Yeah, SPY's on the down swing. The iBio.
Oh, dude, wave. Oh my God.
What did it do? Did it capitulate?
I see it at the corner of my eye in the 18s.
Well, that's fine. I mean, it's still got room to fade. Is it time to get involved? So, yeah,
Really?
it looks good. What's the spread?
Just we may be opening up here soon, so just be ready.
Right. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a starter real quick and wave and then come back because I like that trade.
They could be done with BTTC, but I'm scared. I'm scared on this thing. The halt down, followed by the halt up, followed by the halt down.
Yeah. It's annoying.
It's not going to be a clean move.
20 seconds.
And then I got to run.
Wave could be a clean fade, though. I like the look of that one. Just, again, it's like size small and just give it time. Dollar cost average into the short. It's open. Looks like it's about open. Sevens.
I took it off.
I took half off because I agree it's sketchy, but I do like it for big picture, though. So.
I was scared.
There we go.
And heading lower.
Let's go. Print it. Print it, boys.
Wow.
Print
I don't
it.
think I can chase this one. Being scared did not work for me. Good work.
Print it.
Were you still in that full size?
I took half off, but I I've added back a little bit. Where did I get my fill at when I saw it was going back down? Oh my God. Seven 727. I covered what I did is I covered my whole position as it halted, and then I just re-smacked it with a smaller size.
Good
So
work.
that way, the profit's secure. I don't have to worry about the reclaim and whatever.
I got to head to TTP, guys.
All
Join
right,
in
guys.
over there, and we'll keep the action going. Thank you, Fades, as always. Good work, guys. Trade in BTTC unbiased. But head over to Trade the Pool, and I'll be live over there in a few minutes.
All
Appreciate you,
right.
Fades. All right.
Yeah.
Join the Discord if you haven't already, guys.